This is my $100 Skidoo Summit 583 with a 470 engine. I picked this up in someone's backyard in the last video. We brought it home, we cleaned the carbs, we got her running. This thing absolutely rips. And today, we're taking her to the pole line. Will she survive or will we have to tow this home? I brought tow straps just in case. We got our camera crew, the wife. We got a recovery vehicle. Because I'm going to try to take this up there. We even got some fresh gravy running around. This was honestly a piece of cake for this 32-year-old Sled. This is a joke! Where else are we gonna go, boys? What a view! Oh. You can hear it too, the track is slipping super bad.
That can't be good.
This is probably 10 feet maybe? I'm gonna call that trick the kidney killer.
I hope I'm getting paid good.
Paid in IOUs. This also just goes to show that you don't need to spend a pile of money to have fun on a sled. This was $100 and some elbow grease. No, we're going in there. Tank, good? If Red Bull or Sled Next is looking for a new guy, hit me up. That'll buff out. I've designated this Skidoo to the wife. She needs a bit of work, but she's a wide track. She goes where you point it. Good one for the wife. And she can haul me home when, you know, when I mess off. She's complaining though that she's not turning. What's wrong with her?
Don't steer.
It don't steer. And it don't steer because, I don't know, about 2 years ago I broke off the wear bars and I bought them. They're currently in the garage, but they're not on yet.
He'll fix everything else first.
We were just talking about how well the Skidoo was doing, and pretty much as soon as we stopped talking about it and started to drive away, I'm out on the cylinder. Hopefully it's just a dead plug. I did bring some extra plugs, you know, always forward thinking, right? So throw that in the garbage. Let's get her in. Hopefully it fixes it. That's the second time now that she killed that one plug right there on that same side. I'm wondering if there's issues there, something there. North to spec. New wear bars for the wife. And we're down on one cylinder once again. So let's throw another plug in her. This is the last plug that I brought. I think she died. Whew. Oh my God. Anybody know a good chiropractor? Because my back is shot. And now the wife is stuck. Are you stuck? Is she in forward? Is she in forward? Yeah. Give her some gas. The wife is falling for me again. $100 Skidoo is meant her feet. Woo! Now, take the time. When you're going down over that hill, don't put brakes on, because I got no brakes, I'll bang into you. Cool? When we get home, we'll probably check compression and whatnot. She keeps killing that one plug. So I don't really know what's going on. This is also not the first time the wife has told me home. Turn around. last day she'll ever see. I'm just going to go ahead and say that I'm an idiot and that this Skidoo had a very simple issue that I could have fixed in about 30 seconds. But we'll get to that later. I dented the bumper in when I hit bang into a tree and you plucked the mag out. Oh, perfect. So we went ahead and finished our little Skidoo ride, paid a little visit to the father-in-law who's in cutting some firewood. Maybe in the next video we'll bring the Summit in to haul out a nice load of wood. We're gonna cut some wood pretty soon. This is where we cut wood here for years. It's a really good wood cut. So let's make our way back home and see what's wrong with the Summit. My grandfather cut wood here, my father cut wood here, I cut my wood here, and now this year the father-in-law is up cutting some wood here. It's all black spruce, it's tall, and there's not many limbs on it. Makes for excellent firewood. Alright, we just finished our ride. I'm going to look at this now and see if there's anything simple. Why did it shut off? It's been killing plugs. This one plug, it keeps killing this one plug. Maybe it killed two of them now. Maybe it's low on compression. I really don't know. But I'm going to pop the plugs out now and have a look at it. Regardless though, I think this is one of my favorite purchases that I bought so far this year. It was $100, boys. Like, come on. Nothing wrong with that plug. This is the look you make when you realize you overlooked something very simple. Look how dry these plugs are. Don't tell me that this thing is empty on gas. She's dry. Throw them plugs back in her. There's nothing wrong with them. Let's put these back on. Throw in a bit of 50 to 1. I put a lot of gas in this morning and there was already some still in it from last time. So I thought I had lots of gas. I didn't do that much going, honestly, but turns out she was empty. Come on, baby. She's still a certified ripper. Well, there you go. This is by far now still my favorite machine that I bought so far this year. Drop a comment. What do you want to see me do with this thing next? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.